So we are here to discuss the object-oriented programming methodology. There are some important characteristics of object-oriented programming that are abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance. Clear everyone? So first one we will have to understand what is object-oriented programming. So something that is based on object or the programming that is based on object, that is object-oriented programming. So what is an object? An object is something, whatever you see in this world, in a single form or in a single thing. Whatever that is single, that is an object. Clear? Like your pen, you, your anything, that is an object. Clear? Like, what can I say? Whatever thing you see in the world as a single thing, that is an object. Clear? And similar types, collection of similar types of object is known as class. Clear? So we are taking an example like take an example of your class or your class is the best example. So you are a single person, so you are an object. Similar types of collection. So students are belongs to a class. Clear? So all are object and they belong to a same class. That's why that class is known as your class. Clear? If I taking another example like pen, you have a blue pen, that is an object. You have green pen, that is an object. You have black pen, that is also an object. But the class is pen. So whatever the thing that is used for writing, that is pen. So pen is a class, and blue pen, black pen, all are these object. Clear? So why we are using object oriented programming? The thing is that object oriented programming is the best way to solve any problem that is based on real world. Why? Because each and everything in this world is based on object. And if a programming supports object, then that becomes a very good thing. Why? Because you can solve any type of problem that is based on a real world. So nowadays, object-oriented programming is very popular. Clear? There is another type of programming that is POP, procedure-oriented programming, that is C, sometimes Python also, and Java is based on object-oriented programming. Now we are going to discuss all these topics. What are these? First one is abstraction. That is the first characteristic you can say that of object-oriented programming. So object abstraction is what? So in the real world, you only shows your essential characteristics to someone, not all characteristics. If you are an object, so same thing is working in the program. You make a program in a class and you show only essential features to user, not all the features. So showing only essential properties of a class, of a program, of a thing, that is known as abstraction. Clear? Anyone having doubt? So next point is encapsulation. What is encapsulation? So abstraction and encapsulations are both, you can say, that depend upon each other. Encapsulation is something like capsule. So you want to hide data inside a thing or inside something, that is known as encapsulation. So you are showing all essential properties, that is abstraction, and you are hiding all those things, that is encapsulation. Clear? So data hiding concept is also part of encapsulation. Why we are using this encapsulation? Because we don't want to show all the things to user or any programmer, you can say that. So for that purpose we use encapsulation. Or we can't use that things. Actually these are the parts of the Java or any object oriented programming. So whenever you are going to make the program, you will have to follow all these things, or you will, the way the program is going to be there, all these things already be followed by the that programming language. So you can understand that this concept is there, but the way the programming language is, it supports all these features. Clear? So you are not going to make all these things happen. This will happen automatically by the programming language. Clear? Next point is inheritance. So inheritance also part of real world. You are getting all the things from your parents and you are giving your things to your children. That is inheritance. Same thing happen in the program. A class that inherits another class. So parent class and child class concept is there. So child class will get all the things from the parent class, or you can say that super class is giving all the things to subclass. So what are the things? Things are only two things are there. First one is data members, which is known as variables, and there are member functions, or you can say that methods. So there are two things in the class basically, variables and the methods that are giving to the subclass or child class. Clear? So that is the type of that is known as inheritance. Next point is polymorphism. So what is polymorphism? Poly means many, morphism means forms. So if I say you also an object, so you have the property of polymorphism, like you are a student of a class or for a school, you can say that. You are a child for your parents, you are a friend for your friends. So you are only one, but you have different personalities or different forms at different times. So that same feature is applied on the programming language. That feature is known as polymorphism. Clear? So in the programming point of view, we made many methods with the same name but different parameters and different return types, and that will become a part of polymorphism. Clear everyone? So that's the topic for the today. Thank you everyone.